back to another episode of Inaka Darrens. Today we're doing something that is a little bit less countryside-like. Today we are going to the biggest air show in northern Japan. It is currently Sunday. It is 6 AM. You can tell because this thing. Yeah, that thing. That's the 6 o'clock melody. It plays every single day. Today, Sunday, at 6 o'clock. But the thing is, this air show is big. A lot of people are going to come. Parking nearby is a little bit limited from what I hear. So in order to avoid having to park way far away and having to take an expensive shuttle bus, we are leaving early. But this is still my pajamas, so we need to do something about that. Alright, that's it. Also, remember to wear plenty of sunscreen. Let's go. Alright, it took us an hour, but we've arrived. We parked right there, in the middle of a grassy field, and it's like half an hour walk from here. Hopefully, this weather clears up, because, yeah, for an air show, yeah, all great. But, we'll go for it, this way. And we are almost here, except there are bag checks at the gate. The gate is up that way somewhere, so, yeah, we are waiting. Yeah, so the thing about the line, it goes up there, and then it goes back down here, and then it goes back up there. And we're here, the gate. Except, we're going back this way. So, yeah, gate, see you in an hour or so. Alright, and we are in. It took a while to go through security because being a US military base, they kind of need to be strict about the thing, but we're here. There are planes down this way, there are planes over here, there's stuff going on there. Let's go explore.
Today's demonstration is Captain Jacob Pellizzeri, call sign Primo, from Cincinnati, Ohio. Captain Pellizzeri is a veteran fighter pilot with more than 1,000 hours in aircraft.
Alright, so we've got a bunch of fancy little things here. We've got a fighter jet. You can't actually go into it, you can just see the cockpit. If you're between 5 and 12 years old, you can go to that one. They're allowed to walk on the wing. That's not fair, I want to walk on the wing. But anyway, I got to see the cockpit of this thing, that's nice at least. So, of course they've got all the flight demonstrations as well, but look at this. I don't think you want to stand here when that one starts. Also, you might look at this and think, there are not that many people here. And you know why? Because they're all in the shade. But you know what place you find a lot of people that are not in the shade? There, where they sell food. Also, stop being so loud, playing, trying to talk here. This guy, he's the one being loud. Out there, we've got one of the main events in about 1 hour. They'll be doing a fancy show, so looking forward to that. But
Of course, you can see with the amount of people camping out here that they're probably expecting that this is where fun stuff happens. Pro tip, how to get through the crowd? Follow the guy in the golf cart. Alright, I'm taking the chance of recording here. I'll probably have to cut out the sound because the music's playing that I probably won't be allowed to use, but you might be wondering if this is an American Air Base, which I told you it was, why are all the planes Japanese? This one's Japanese, this one's Japanese, that one over there. Well, it's kind of a joint American and Japanese Air Base, and I think the air show here is mostly Japanese. So a lot of the stuff is Japanese self-defense forces, and well, there was a demonstration of a US F-16 earlier, but most of the planes are actually Japanese. I mean, it makes sense that Japanese people have come here, they want to see what the Japanese self-defense forces can do. They don't care about what the US Air Force can do. But, yeah, I should probably cut out now before this music gets me copyright strikes. Never mind, I found the reason. They just separate the Japanese and US parts. We've got US fighters here, we've got more US stuff here, all the way down there. Also, the shade under the wing, people under the wing. This really, really reminds me of the last time there was an air show back home in Aalborg. It was raining, and people were crowded under the wing even more so than this. That was taking shelter from the rain. This is just sun. There's lots of it. It's hot, but yeah. But also, because Misawa Airport is a commercial airport, you will sometimes have the stuff interrupted by this. Right there. That is a very, very small plane, but Japan Airlines gotta run their route. Also, got weapons displays. There's a Japanese fighter. Yes, I know it's the US flag. There's the US fighter on the Japanese flag. We've got weapons there. I'm pretty sure these are the US weapons, because right over there, we've got the Japanese weapons. Also, it's nice to be inside in the shade because the sun is pretty strong today. Alright, the aerobatic show is about to start, and there are a few more people here now. First, of course, Japan Airlines again. crowd, but I'm not the only one who had that idea. Let's see how traffic goes. Goodbye, Louis. See you, well, probably back home. So, I did say back home, but no, not back home. After an exhausting day like this, onsen needs to happen. So, obviously I can't bring you inside, but I mean, gotta show this thing, right? So, this time, for real, I'll see you back home.
And that's it. We're back home. That was a very, very lovely and refreshing dip in the onsen. There's just no better way of relaxing after a long and honestly quite tiring day than a big dip in the hot springs. So going home was actually not quite as bad as going there. You saw there were lots and lots of people going out, but actually once we got to the parking lots, the traffic kind of dissipated in all kinds of directions. So going back home was kind of easy. Just coming back from doing a bit of grocery shopping over at the supermarket here, and yeah, it's been a good day. I think I will leave it at this for now. Please let me know what you thought of it down in the comments below, down here somewhere. Anything you enjoyed, anything you would have liked to see. Also, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And honestly, if you're not, what are you doing? Please, it's gonna be more stuff, it's good. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.